Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground, and today I want to check out our BAIDE Home Propane Fire Kit. And we've had this one for about 2 months, and we got it because we like to travel, and this was recommended as a portable propane fire pit. And this thing is great. It is lightweight until you put the rocks in, but we'll get to that. This fire pit has a really sleek and clean design, and this control knob up front here is really easy to read, and it's really easy to reach when the pit's on. On the side, it has 2 well-placed handles, although this does get a little bit warm when it is on, so don't try and move it during the time that it's on. Wait for it to cool down and go ahead and move it then. And it comes with a nice flat lid, so you can really use it as just kind of a centerpiece table in a small sitting area if you like. Now, as far as construction goes, this is actually one of the easiest fire pits to put together. It took 5 minutes. That's because all you have to do is install the 4 legs, and it's 8 screws. It comes with an extra long hex wrench, and that's all you need to put this entire pit together. And the fiberglass it comes with is a nice blue fiberglass. So it has a clean and pretty look to it. And the blue is a great contrast off the matte black of the fire pit itself. Now, the one thing you want to be aware of is that if you are using it as a portable fire pit, that fiberglass does add that 10 to 15 pounds to it. And it's probably pretty hard to keep it all in there if you're moving it around in an RV or something. But what you want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, absolutely. I love this thing. I put plenty of fire pits together. This is the easiest by far. I like the fact that it has the 2 handles on the side. I like the control knob. I like the clean look of it. And I like the fact that it has the top so that I can use it as a table in our little sitting area. And we do have the glass in there, so it has a great look when this fire pit is on. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.